Hello, welcome, and happy holidays to all of my crafty friends out there. This is Mariposa coming to you with her Black Friday haul series. And with this series of videos, I'm going to be sharing the different things that I picked up as part of Black Friday. So I was able to get my hands finally on the Paige Evans mystery box from American Crafts. By the time that this video airs, I'm not sure if these are still going to be available, but they went from $70 all the way down to $49.99. So, and I thought that was too good of a steal to pass up. So, let me show you what comes or could potentially come in the mystery box, because I actually got different things than other people. So one of the things I got was the adventurous, their chipboard embellishments from the Adventurous collection. And those are all the things that are in it. Awesome sauce. Very excited. I don't think I own anything from her Adventurous collection. I got the Paige Evans, this set of washi tape from Tricks and Treat. I guess it's the Tricks and Treat album set, and this comes with the pages, which is very cool. I would use this for fall. I got a set of 6 enamel stickers, 6-dimensional butterfly stickers, 4 tassels with charms, and I was excited that these are from Sugar Plum Wishes. I was like, yes. Because I did notice that some people got things from her collection last year, from her first Christmas collection. So I was like, these are adorable. And I know exactly where they're going. Ha ha ha. Already got the project I'm going to add them to. Stay tuned. I also got, or it came with, the Paige Evans Blooming Wild. It says 136 embellishments, but really what it is like large letters like this, which I wanted, so I was excited about that. I got some filler sheets, 24 page protectors for the album. Yep. So that's pretty cool. I got the 308 stickers from Garden Shop, and that's what those look like. Garden Shop's another collection I don't own anything from. I got it looks like it's a Tricks and Treats embroidery kit. So that's fun. I love these colors of the yarn. Okay, I was really hoping, this is another item that I was hoping that I got. The 559-piece card making kit. And that is from Adventurous. I've always had a thing for all of Paige Evans' like travel theme collections. So I also got, this must have been a collaboration, but Pink Paisley and Paige Evans charms from Horizon. I love charms. And I got Some additional floral charms. I don't know whether is that missing? Or if it slid someplace else, I wonder. Another item from Sugar Plum Wishes. I was loving this because I didn't get it when I got her collection. The box cards by from Sugar Plum Wishes. The set of envelope stencils, 3. Oh, that's also how they look. Okay, and then the rest is paper. So I got... I'm trying to remember if I have this already. I don't know if I do. Yeah, Scenic Route. The 6x8, right? 6x8 Scenic Route pad. I'm not going to flip through the papers. Just the single sheets. Okay, and then the rest of the paper is actually 12 by 12. But I'm also about to show you guys another thing that I was super excited to get a few things. Okay, thing number 1 is Blooming Wild, her cardboard stickers. Woot woot. Love that. Okay, and then the Blooming Wild project pad. Yes! I was so excited to get that. So it includes stickers, pattern papers, and cardstock. Very cool. Wait, but it didn't stop there. I got 2. So I also got the project pad from Adventurous. Okay, and then all of these loose sheets, some of which are from Sugar Plum Wishes. This is one of my favorite sheets on the collection. And some of my other favorites. This one's from Adventurous. Adventurous again. You know what? I don't think I got... No, I said that. I didn't get Adventurous. So that must be a much older collection. Blooming Wild. I know this is... Nope, Adventurous. Okay. Blooming Wild. Oh, this is gorgeous. Adventurous. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Look at this. Blooming Wild. I never purchased the whole Blooming Wild collection. It came, this is Adventurous, as part of one of her kits for one of her, classes. Or it could have been an in-person retreat. This is Adventurous. But I am not complaining. These papers are gorgeous. Blooming Wild. Yes, I remember because we used this as one of the projects. The little squares. I think it was my first in-person with her in Colorado. And this was Adventurous. Here's another one for Adventurous. It is very cool, though, that, oops, sorry. This is Blooming Wild. That's gorgeous. That, I've gotten mystery boxes where they just kind of randomly threw stuff in. This is Adventurous. And it feels like American Crafts was considerate enough, which is why it actually feels like it was worth the $70 originally. To try to curate. Oh, this is stunning. Blooming. You know, so that you're getting multiple pieces from, this is adventurous, from the same kit or collection instead of it just being, you know, random schmamdom. Oh, this is pink paisley. Look at that. I love her stuff. I mean, I love pink paisley. These are cute too. More pink paisley. Cool. Oh, yep, Blooming Wild, yep. I remember I love this page. Super cool, adventurous. This looks like it might be from Adventurous. Oh no, pink paisley. But you see what I mean? Like, this is clearly a travel theme, and they realized they gave me Adventurous, so it's not just any random sheet for pink paisley. It's, you know, a sheet that matches the Adventurous theme. I think that's really cool of them. They didn't have to do that. And this one's bringing us home with Adventurous. So, needless to say, for $50, I don't think I need to say much. I'm not sure if, as of the filming of this video, they're still available. But if there were certain collections you were looking to get your hands on from Paige Evans, or if you were just looking to increase your Paige Evans collection, maybe with some of the items that you wouldn't have thought to buy from her, I think this is a good deal. I really do. Okay, I want to send out a big thanks to all of my new subscribers. I'm so glad you're here. I want to thank all of my returning watchers and current subscribers, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to support my channel with your viewership. It is greatly appreciated. I want to wish everyone a happy and healthy holiday season. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.